guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a coffin shelf. So if you're interested in learning how, please keep watching. Hi everybody. Okay, today we are going to be making a wooden coffin shelf for my makeup for my bathroom. So you're going to be with me on my trip through doing that. I'm going to be using a band saw today. You can also do the same thing with just a saw. Probably be a little bit harder to get those angles cut the correct way. But I think it's still possible. You could probably do it, but here's my walkthrough anyway. Bye. Okay, so we just have to adjust the angle here to 30 degrees. Okay, got it set to 30 degrees for the angle of the board. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut our first board. Got that nice angle cut we were looking for. Here's the board I cut previously, and here's the new one. And as you can see, they now fit together perfectly. I cut the wrong angle, so we're going to go ahead and redo that. Go ahead and give this a try and see if it fits in place. Alright, we are officially done cutting all of those angles. This is what it's going to look like. I got to add the shelves and everything still, but I am not going to lie, these angles gave me a bit of trouble. I had to go back and cut several of them, like 2 or 3 times, but I got it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this whole thing glued together. I am using Tight Bond. I'm going to use painter's tape to hold it together. We are done gluing now, and we're going to start taping it together at the seams. Now, normally people would use clamps for this, but I don't have the kind of clamps you need for doing angles, so I'm using painter's tape. Okay, last one. Okay, and it's done. I am going to go through later and put wooden dowels to help hold the joints together, and also for the shelves once I get the shelves put in. But for now, it's just going to be glue. Okay, and now we're just going to go ahead and let it dry for let me see how much time it's supposed to dry for. And it says I have to leave it clamped for at least 30 minutes, if not 24 hours. Okay, and I will see you back whenever this is done drying. Bye. Hi everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm getting better equipment every day to try to make my videos better for you. So please, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe, and you have a wonderful night.